Over the past year, I've been on panels, podcasts, and stages talking about how AI is changing the way we build software. And everywhere I go, I hear the same mix of excitement and confusion. AI can produce prototypes, code, and even full workflows in minutes. But our thinking, the part that actually ensures we build the right thing, hasn't accelerated at the same pace. One theme kept coming up: AI makes everything look easy. Founders vibe code a beautiful prototype in an afternoon and think they're a sprint away from launch. Teams use ChatGPT to draft specs and feel like they've saved time. But under the surface, the decisions, the assumptions, constraints, edge cases, risks are still missing. And that missing thinking becomes very expensive downstream. On every panel, engineers nodded at this point. They get a feature request that looks polished, but it hides critical assumptions. And when those assumptions finally surface, permissions, data flows, migration steps, performance constraints, the estimates blow up. This is the real reason projects slip, not because engineers code slowly, but because inputs were incomplete. Teams say they want to move fast. But when I ask deeper questions, what they really want is fewer surprises and less rework. They want to avoid the painful moment when they realize the prototype is easy, but the actual product is months of work they never planned for. One realization came up again and again. AI accelerates typing, but it does not accelerate thinking. In fact, the faster AI produces output, the more critical it becomes to slow down to understand what we're building and why. Teams are waking up to this. They're realizing the real value isn't in AI that writes for them, but AI that questions them, AI that acts like a coach, not a copy machine. What resonated most with audiences was this: the moment you expose assumptions, everything becomes easier. Scope becomes clearer. Estimates stabilize. You can cut features intentionally instead of reactively. This is the shift we're experiencing now. AI isn't replacing engineers or PMs, it's forcing us to build with more intentionality. AI is changing how we build, but human judgment still determines what we should build. The teams who win in the next decade won't be the ones who build the fastest. They'll be the ones who think clearly, challenge assumptions early, and use AI to amplify, not replace. That's the future of software development. And that's exactly why I built Visory. Not to write PRDs faster, but to guide the thinking that prevents misalignment, invisible work, and costly surprises. Visory slows you down just enough to go faster, helping teams build with confidence. Start your free trial now.